In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that many people use for organizing their digital lives, from managing projects and tasks to storing data and notes. Sometimes you may want to create designated spaces, like folders, to keep everything neat and easy to find. While Notion doesn't have folders in the traditional sense, there's a great workaround to achieve the same function. Let's break it down step by step. First, you're going to want to start by creating a new page. To do this, look over to the sidebar on your Notion workspace. There, you'll find a button labeled Plus New Page. Click on this button and it will open up a blank new page for you. This is where the magic begins. Think of this page as the folder you want to create. Now, the key to using this effectively as a folder is in naming it. You'll want to give this new page a name that clearly represents the category or collection of items you plan to store in it. For example, if this page is going to house all your project files, you might name it something simple like Projects or My Projects, depending on your preferences and needs. Next, it's important to understand that this page will function as your folder. In other words, this is the area where you'll be able to group related information together in an organized manner, just as you would with folders in a file storage system on your computer. Within this page, you can add headings, subpages, checklists, databases, and more to categorize your data even further. This flexibility is one of Notion's strongest features, allowing you to tailor how the information is stored to your specific situation. Now that you have your page ready, it's time to fill it up by moving all relevant files and projects into it. If you already have existing pages or subpages that you want to treat as part of this folder, you can easily do so by dragging and dropping them into this new page on the sidebar. Simply click and hold on the page you want to move, drag it over to the new page you created, and release. This intuitively places your information within your folder, making it a breeze to access all related data from one spot. Remember that Notion offers many ways to customize how information is displayed and grouped. Feel free to use blocks, columns, and toggles to organize content inside your new folder page. This means that as your projects grow or change, you can easily adapt your Notion workspace to keep everything streamlined. That's all there is to it. By using pages effectively, Notion allows you to create a structured environment where you can manage and find the information you need efficiently. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your digital space even more effectively with Notion.